friends, good morning here in ST class 12th CBSE. Chapter 1st Bricks, Beads and Bonds, the Harappan Civilization Early Cities. Dear students, in the previous class we have learnt about some major civilization of the world: Mesopotamian civilization, Egyptian civilization, Indus Valley civilization, Chinese civilization. So we should know which civilization flourished on the bank of Indus River in 2600 BC to 1900 BC. Answer: Indus Valley civilization. Who discovered Harappa site of Indus Valley civilization? Dairam Sahani discovered this site. Dear students, you should know who discovered Mohenjo-daro site of Indus Valley civilization? Rakhaldas Banerjee. Who was the first Director General of ASI? Alexander Cunningham. Here you can see which book was written by S. N. Roy. The Story of Indian Archaeology. Map Practice. You should locate Lothal, Nageshwar, Dholavira, Kalibanga, Vanwali and Rakhigadi. Pakistan, some sites: Harappa, Kotdiji, Mohenjo-daro, Chanhudaro, Balakot. These are 5 sites in Pakistan which are related to map question for exam purpose. Where were ploughed fields found? Kalibanga, Rajasthan. Where have terracotta models of plough been found? Cholistan and Vanwali. Traces of canals: Sortughai, Afghanistan. Water reservoir of Dholavira is famous. You can see here, this is Egyptian civilization, Mesopotamian civilization, Indus Valley and Chinese civilization place. Here you can see again Egypt civilization, Mesopotamian, Indian civilization on the bank of river Indus, and Chinese civilization on the bank of river Yellow Hang He River civilization. Here you can see Alexander Cunningham's portraits. Alexander Cunningham, the father of Indian archaeology, the first Director General of Archaeological Survey of India. Bricks used making Lahore to Multan railway line. So in this way this civilization came into light. Many structures were damaged during the construction of the railway line. Dear students, we should know about the John Marshall. He was Director General of ASI. Marshall announced about the discovery of new civilization in Indus Valley in 1924. Students, S. N. Roy wrote in his book The Story of Indian Archaeology, Marshall left India 3000 years old than he had found her. Students, you can see carefully planned cities. Dear students, name 2 parts of Mohenjo-daro. Citadel, smaller but higher; lower town, larger but lower. Where was Great Bath found? Mohenjo-daro. Name a town devoted for craft production. Chanhudaro, located in Pakistan. Dear students, Mohenjo-daro and Harappa civilization, some parts. Mohenjo-daro. At Mohenjo-daro, we can see that citadel, bath, granary found. Here you can see Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, some important facts. You can see streets of Mohenjo-daro. You can see the view of the drainage system. The drain is about 5 meter deep. Fine example: Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, the town plan was regular. Fire baked bricks were used, which were uniform in size and shape. From Kashmir to Gujarat, you can see structure of town planning. Streets of Mohenjo-daro, Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro. This one is here. This one is the Great Bath today at that site. This is the plug of the Great Bath. Here you can see plug. Dear students, artifacts. Chanhudaro was famous for making beads, shell cutting, metal working, seal making, weight making. Beads material include carnelian, beautiful red colored jasper, crystal quartz, statite, copper, bronze, gold, self faience, terracotta, burnt clay. So artifacts of different size, dice, cylindrical, spherical, barrel and segmented were used. You can see here some view. This is terracotta quartz toy. You can see dice. You can see some more jewelry. Seals of Indus Valley civilization. Seals. These are also seals. So weights and measurements used. Priest king image. Priest king image based question may be asked. Language pictographic script. Indus Valley sites throughout India and Pakistan. We can find even in Afghanistan. Burials. You can see burial of woman and infant Harappa. This burial was disturbed in antiquity, possibly by ancient urban grave robbers. The infant was buried in a small pit beneath the legs of mother. Okay, students. Thanks.